Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are practicing easy morning communication. A. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? B. Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. And you? A. I'm doing well. Did you sleep well? I'm doing well. Did you sleep well? I'm doing well. Did you sleep well? B. Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well. A. What time did you wake up today? What time did you wake up today? What time did you wake up today? B. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. A. Yay, nice. I woke up at 7 a.m. Nice. I woke up at 7 a.m. Nice. I woke up at 7 a.m. B. What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast? A. I had eggs and a cup of tea. I had eggs and a cup of tea. I had eggs and a cup of tea. B. That sounds nice. I ate bread and fruit. That sounds nice. I ate bread and fruit. That sounds nice. I ate bread and fruit. A. The morning feels fresh today. The morning feels fresh today. The morning feels fresh today. B. Yes, the weather is really nice. Yes, the weather is really nice. Yes, the weather is really nice. A. What are your plans for today? What are your plans for today? What are your plans for today? B. I will study and finish some work. I will study and finish some work. I will study and finish some work. That sounds good. Let's have a great day. That sounds good. Let's have a great day. That sounds good. Let's have a great day. B. Yes, see you later. Yes. See you later. Yes. See you later. A. See you. Have a nice morning. See you. Have a nice morning. See you. Have a nice morning.